Welcome back to my tiny kitchen. Watch this step-by-step video and learn how to make these knotted cinnamon rolls. A soft, fluffy and rich yeast dough with delicate swirls and layers of sweet cinnamon butter filling. What's not to love about this? These are the ingredients for the dough. Remember the recipes in the description. The method is really easy. Add all of the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl and mix together to distribute them. Make a well in the center of the bowl and then add in the wet ingredients. Then mix together to form a shaggy dough. A shaggy dough is a lumpy yet well mixed dough with not a lot of lumps of flour. Scrape out this dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 minutes until smooth and elastic. Drizzle and smear about a teaspoon of oil before placing in the dough. Then cover with cling film and leave for about an hour to double in size. If, like me, you had a craving for this on a cold day, preheat your oven to the lowest temperature. Then turn the oven off and place the bowl inside. These are the ingredients for the cinnamon filling. Remember the recipes in the description. Add the soft butter, brown sugar and cinnamon powder into a bowl and mix until smooth. Once ready, keep this mix aside for later. When the dough is ready, roll out onto a lightly floured surface. Spread the cinnamon butter filling and then gently fold a third of the dough away from you and a third of it towards you. Now roll out the folded dough until it is about 20 centimeters wide. Once ready, you could measure the length of the dough and cut out 12 equal strips. Tie each strip into a loose knot by tucking one end underneath and the other through the center of the cinnamon roll. Then place in a prepared muffin tin. This is a slightly slower video clip, so you can get the hang of it. Once ready, place in a warm place to rise for about 30 minutes or a cool oven, that's around 30 degrees Celsius, for about 15 minutes. If proofing the rolls in the oven, remove them and preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Once the cinnamon rolls are ready, Leave to cool in the tray and make the cinnamon sugar. Roll the knotted cinnamon rolls in the cinnamon sugar and place on a wire rack to avoid the warm rolls from getting soggy. Enjoy these luscious knotted cinnamon rolls with your favorite warm beverage. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out these playlists for more ideas. See you next time.